Most people buy a rental property based on a gut feeling and then act surprised when they lose money every single month. You should never let the physical beauty of a house blind you to the cold, hard reality of the mathematical spreadsheet. A 10-minute deal analysis is the only way to protect your capital and ensure that your investment is actually a goldmine. You must start by calculating your gross rental income and then immediately subtract a 5% buffer for future vacancy. The biggest mistake new investors make is failing to set aside money for repairs and major capital expenditures like a new roof. Once you subtract your mortgage taxes and insurance, you are left with your net cash flow, which is your true take-home pay. You should aim for a cash-on-cash return that is significantly higher than what you could earn in a passive savings account. If the numbers do not work after accounting for all these hidden costs, you must have the courage to walk away from the deal. Using this systematic approach will keep you from buying a money pit and help you build a portfolio that creates real wealth.